Oceanfront condos. Have you ever thought about buying an oceanfront condominium? Do you often dream about gazing at the slow sunrise across the painted sky each morning? Imagine each day waking up to the roaring sounds of the ocean while sipping your morning coffee as the ocean breeze caresses your face. Now, many of us have dreamed about living oceanside, but what would it take to make this your reality? You may be wondering, is now the time to buy? Is this a good investment? What are the pros and cons of buying an oceanfront condominium? So many people tend to wait, but this lifestyle never comes to those that do. I'm Ratasha with LPT Realty, and I would love the opportunity to help you discover the very real possibility of owning your piece of paradise right here in Florida. So we are so blessed to have some of the most sought after beachfront real estate in the nation. And affordability is just one of the reasons Florida beaches are gathering so much attention nationwide. Now, statistics show we have people moving here from all over the country, especially with the latest trend of working from home with less demands for travel. So now more than ever, purchasing an oceanfront home makes even more sense. So why not have it all? If you love where you work, you live, and play, luxury oceanfront condominium homes offer an affluent lifestyle that you can't afford to pass up. So many luxury condominiums offer private garages, additional storage facilities, and guest suites for your visitors, as well as state-of-the-art amenities including oceanfront pools and spas, theater rooms, business centers, and meeting halls. So you have heard that when it comes to real estate, there are three important things to know, and they are location, location, location. And it doesn't get better than an oceanfront. A dream location with an incredible lifestyle where you can ride your bike or walk to all the local shops and restaurants and enjoy a healthy lifestyle of swimming, walking, and relaxing in your new home by the sea. So forget waiting for the luxury lifestyle you deserve. As Franklin D. Roosevelt said years ago, real estate cannot be lost or stolen, nor can it be carried away. Purchased with common sense, paid for in full, and managed with reasonable care, it is about the safest investment in the world. So call me, let's explore possibilities so you can start enjoying a luxury lifestyle. Again, I'm Ratasha with LPT and bringing you home with RC Realty Solutions, and I'm looking forward to helping you. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.